Hey everyone, and welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to show you how to manually change the keyboard brightness on your Mac. Let's get right to it. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down until you find the keyboard option and click on it. Okay, you'll see a bunch of keyboard settings here, but the one we're looking for is at the top, Adjust Keyboard Brightness in Low Light. You can toggle this on or off depending on your preference. Below that, you'll see the keyboard brightness slider. Slide it all the way to the right for maximum brightness, or all the way to the left to turn the backlight completely off. Experiment to find what works best for you. You can also adjust how long the backlight stays on after inactivity. I've set mine to 5 minutes, but you can change it to never or as little as 5 seconds. Now, let me show you how to change your keyboard brightness from the control center for even quicker access. Go back to the Apple logo, click on System Settings again, and this time choose Control Center. Scroll down until you see Keyboard Brightness. Toggle on Show in Control Center, you'll see the brightness control appear there. You can also toggle on Show in Menu Bar, if you'd prefer to access it from the top menu bar. Personally, I like to keep this toggled off, but it's all about personal preference. And there you have it. That's how you manually adjust keyboard brightness on your Mac. I hope this was helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. This was based on my personal experience, so your mileage may vary. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Check the description for useful links. Thanks for watching.